Back pain is something that many of us deal with on a day-to-day basis, and just because you are dealing with back pain does not mean that there is nothing to do for you. In fact, by the end of this video, you will know a few simple stretches that you can do all from the comfort of a chair to help relieve your back pain and get you back to moving better in life. But before we get to that, I need to make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos helping you with issues like back pain, regardless of your current ability and how you think, look, and move. So the problem with back pain is that it could be from a variety of different areas: low back, upper back, mid back, etc. Because of this, these exercises cover the entire scope of your back to help you not stretch out just one area, but the entire back, as this will keep you the most balanced overall. Now, all of these movements are great, but my favorite exercise is by far the last one. For the forward fold, you will start with your feet wide apart on the ground. Then you will cross your arms and gently allow your torso to fall forward towards the ground, imagining the weight of gravity to pull your lower back deep into the stretch. Hold this position for 30 seconds and feel free to do it multiple times. The pigeon pose with a twist is even better. This back pain stretch will work your middle and lower back and will start by bringing one foot up onto the other knee. After that, you will grab your leg that is up with both hands and pull yourself towards that leg, twisting your body around. Imagine trying to look behind your chair. Hold for 30 seconds and make sure to repeat this movement on both sides. Now, something you need to know is that those first couple stretches are excellent at relieving some of your back pain, but without doing these last few stretches, your back pain might slowly come back. The medicine ball stretch will work the upper back area to help relieve pain there. For this one, grab a soft ball or medicine ball, link in the description, and place it behind your upper back around your scapula area. Then you will place your hands across your chest or behind your head. If you have shoulder pain, I'd recommend across your chest. For 30 seconds, slowly lean back against the ball on the chair, repeating as needed. For the hamstring stretch to the side, this back pain stretch will start with one of your legs out at a 45-degree angle with your knee nice and straight. Now, try to bend to the side, slowly reaching down to touch your toe. If you notice your leg starts bending before you can touch your toe, stop reaching at that point and hold for 30. Remember to repeat on both legs. One of my favorite stretches in a chair is a side lean hold. Sit up tall in a chair and slowly bring one arm up over your head, bending to the side. Breathe and hold this position for 30 seconds on each side, feeling the weight pull you over. This is great because it not only stretches muscles on the side of your body, but also strengthens them as well. This is incredibly important because this area is often weak. Follow these chair stretches daily to help relieve your back pain to the fullest. In addition to that, all the products we mentioned will be down in the description, as well as our low impact exercise program. And if you don't want to do either of those, just make sure to check out the next video from my channel that can help you stretch even more.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away